Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can send dice in Monopoly Go. So if you're trying to give dice to your friend because you have extra dice, you cannot. You can only share your stickers with your friend. If you want to give dice to your friend, what you need to do is ask your friend for their account. Once you have their account, you need to click on the little, money icon at the top right corner with a plus. Click on it. From over here, you can buy dices. So let's say you're inside your friend's account, you can choose whichever dice you want. Let's say I want to get the $1 one. I can click on it. After I do that, it's going to ask me to enter my bank detail. After I enter my bank detail, basically my bank will be used to be paid for the dice and my friend's account will get the dice. So that's the only way you guys can give your friend dice. By taking their account, entering your bank detail, buying the dice, and after you buy the dice, you can disconnect your bank account from their phone. And that is basically the only way to send dice to your friend on Monopoly Go right now. So I hope you understand how this works. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. See you guys in my future video.